YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, happy Wednesday, happy hump day. I hope that everyone is having a blessed day today. So today's video is in collaboration with Babalabags. Babalabags sent me out a Prada shoulder bag. The size of it is a 20 by 15 by 70 centimeters. If you're not familiar with Babalabags, Babalabags, they sell replica bags, shoes, and accessories. So I will leave all of their information in the description box along with a discount code if you are interested. So y'all, let's get this box open, see what's in there. So I took the package out of the box, the original box that it came in the mail in. I didn't want all my information to be online. So here is the box that the Prada bag is in. Very beautiful magnetic bag with the ribbon handles. So there's a little bit of Here is the Prada card. Black card. Okay. Let's put this back in here. Okay. So I'm going to set this up like this. See it or not. See if I can get something to set it up. So as you can see, it's in a Prada dust bag. Show you. Ugh, got like a weird smell to it, but let's see. Let's take this handle out of here. Okay. So let's start off with the bag. So it says Prada Milano. Y'all can see that it is a black leather bag with gold hardware. Y'all see that? Okay. So let's open the bag up. And so with both pieces of foam in here, you can put a wallet inside of here. Here is the first slot. It's the second one. And then the third one is a flap on it. The inside pocket right here, it flaps down to hold your stuff in. Instead of having the zip there, is this here. So it goes through here. That comes through. And then we'll slide this down in here. Okay, now that's much better. There we go. This has got like the gold studs on it. Like I said, very, very cute. So let's get this plastic took off of here. Okay, so I had to put the strap on off camera. Yeah, so anyways, here's the strap right here. It's genuine leather with all of the gold hardware, all the gold details, which makes this bag look even more luxurious. Very, very cute. I love gold. It just makes it look so rich. Really, really love it. Really love it. So you can wear this as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody. Me personally, I wear it as a crossbody. So I'm gonna let y'all get a good look at it again. And this beautiful strap that's on here. Really, really cute. I would like to thank Babalabags for sponsoring this portion of the video. And I will leave all of their information, like I said, along with the discount code in the description box. Thanks for watching.